What if I tell you that Claude AI can do most of the required work to start your affiliate marketing business? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI to start your affiliate marketing business from scratch, even if you are absolute beginner, towards earning your first $100 online. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. So you need to choose a good niche, but good niche is not the one that you just like. Good niche is a profitable niche. So what is the profitable niche? Profitable niche is the one that has buyer intent, available affiliate products, and enough content opportunities. So you need to find profitable niche. For that, we are going to use Claude AI and we will give it this prompt and then simply press enter. And now Claude AI will find 10 profitable niches for us. Here you can see pet care and supplies. Easiest. This is really important if you're absolute beginner. Here you can see personal finance for beginners, home fitness and wellness equipment, and so on and so on. And here you can see it will give us 10 profitable niches. So now we need to choose one of these niches. For example, let me just go through these niches. Here you can see home and fitness. Let's say, for example, I wish to promote something from this niche here. So now I need to find products, but first I need to decide, do I wish to promote digital products, physical products, courses, or whatever. Okay, so here I will give it a new prompt. Here you can see, based on this niche, give me 20 types of affiliate products I could promote. For which one, explain the targeted customer, buying intent, typical commission potential, competition level, and what type of content could I promote. Now, this is important because this will give us what our ideal buyer is. So press enter, and now Claude AI will give us exactly that, 20 types of affiliate products that we can promote, okay? And I will add home and fitness wellness equipment affiliate products, and I will press enter. And now Claude AI will give us exactly that. And here you can see adjustable dumbbells. Here you can see resistance band seats. Here you can see kettlebells. Here you can see weight bench, and so on and so on. It will give us 20 ideas for affiliate products that we can actually promote. Just give it a few seconds to finish all 20. So now we need to see what is our ideal customers. Why? Because then we will know what kind of problems people have in this niche when it comes to these products. And then we can offer them a solution for that problem. So here I will give it a new prompt. Here you can see create ideal customer profile for someone who is actively searching for product type. Okay, so here I will need to add a product type. Let's say, for example, to find my niche, okay, home fitness equipment, I will copy this, and then here I will again paste my keyword, okay, and then press enter. And now Claude AI will create our ideal customer, so we can then create our strategy based on that ideal customer. Okay, we will see what kind of problems they have, and then we will offer them solution for that problem when it comes to our niche. So just give it a few seconds to finish. Okay, and here we can see they created our ideal customer. Here you can see biggest problems, time scarcity. Here you can see, for example, space constraints. Here you can see past injury, and so on and so on. So now we need to create a 30-day content strategy. So here I will give it this prompt. And here you can see I need to add my niche, and also I need to add my product. So I will go back here to again to copy my niche. Just give me a second. Okay. I will copy this. This is my niche. Okay. I will paste that here. And here I can see product. Okay. So I will go back here. Just scroll to find product. Let's say, for example, resistance bands seats. Okay. And here I will paste that here and then press enter. And now Claude AI will create a 30-day affiliate marketing content calendar for this niche here, home and fitness, and also for this product here, okay? And here you can see it is already creating this content strategy for me. Okay, Claude finished my strategy, and here you can see it is a 30-day strategy. So now I need to create a content. So I will give it this prompt here, okay? Here you can see, write a 1500-word beginner-friendly article targeting keyword. And then here I need to add my keyword, okay? And my keyword is, let me just scroll back here on top. Let me just, okay? So this is my keyword. Here you can see this is my keyword. And I will add my keyword here, okay? Here you can see best resistance band seats for beginners. And now Claude AI will write that article. Just press enter, and now Claude AI will write that article for us that we can publish on our own blog, on our own website. We can also publish this on medium.com. We can publish this article on LinkedIn, on Facebook, and wherever we want. We can publish this article to drive traffic, okay? Okay, Claude finished our article, and this is how our article looks. It actually looks pretty good. I would certainly add some images, some catchy images, because that will actually make our article more readable and more clickable. So now what I need to do, I actually need a landing page. I can't send traffic directly to affiliate product, to the sales page. I need to send traffic to a landing page, okay? Again, I can use Claude AI to make that landing page. So I will give it this prompt. Here you can see I need to add my product niche. And also here I need to add my product. So my niche is home and fitness. So let me just scroll here so I can copy this is my niche. So here I will add my niche, okay? This is my niche. And then this is my product. I will copy this and I will add that product here, okay? Paste that here. And now just press enter. And now Claude AI will make this landing page for us totally free. We don't have to pay any money. Just give it a few seconds to make that landing page. That we will use this article here that Claude AI wrote for us to publish this article on our blog, on our website, medium.com or wherever, and we will send traffic from this article to our landing page that Claude AI created for us. Now, Claude AI finished our landing page, and this is how our landing page looks. It actually looks pretty good. So what you can do, you can simply click here, and you can either click here to get the HTML code for this page, and you can also click here to download HTML file, and you can insert this file on your hosting. Or you can simply, like I said, add an HTML code to your hosting, and you can get your landing page. So now what we need to do, now we need to use this article here to drive traffic to this landing page here, okay? Now, if you are a beginner, it is best to choose just one traffic source. In this case, we will choose Pinterest. If you are more advanced, then you can use Claude AI to create your tactic and content strategy and content itself for Pinterest, for YouTube Shorts, for TikTok, for Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, for Twitter, for different kind of forums, for LinkedIn, and so on and so on. So you will have a multiply traffic sources, and that will get you more free traffic. But like I said, if you are a beginner, it is best to focus on just one traffic source. In this case, we will focus on Pinterest. So here I will give it a new prompt. This is my prompt. And here you can see how this looks. Here I need to add my niche. Here I need to add my product. Here I need to add targeted audience, landing page URL. And here you can see keyword research. Now, we already have our niche. Claude AI helped us to choose our niche. Here we have a product. We already have our product. Like I said, Claude AI helped us to choose the product. Targeted audience also. Claude AI already gave us our audience. Landing page, this is our landing page. Claude AI created that landing page for us. We just need to publish this landing page on our web hosting. And then we simply need to click here, and then Claude AI will create these pins for us. Now you can also, here in this prompt here, you can tell Claude AI to use Canva to make these pins. You just need to connect Claude AI with Canva, and then Claude AI will directly create those pins. You don't have to go on Canva. Claude will automatically use Canva to create those pins, okay? Now here you can see Claude AI will do research, it will come up with the targeted keywords, title, topic, it will optimize your pins and so on and so on. It will even create pins, but Claude AI cannot publish those pins on your Pinterest account. Now, if you're a beginner, I suggest to do that manually, but in my future video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI to do all of this automatically. How you can make Claude AI to do the research, to find the good products, to find the good niche, to create a strategy, to create content, but also how to schedule and publish that content, in this case, on your Pinterest account. So literally, you just need to set up and forget, okay? It is literally set up and forget method. Claude AI will do everything. You just need to give it initial prompt, and Claude AI will do after that everything automatically. You don't have to do anything after that. Like I said, that is one of my future videos. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you can watch that video. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.